Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. So time to time I order stuff from AliExpress, useful stuff, at least to me, and I put them all together and then I make a quick video just showing them. So if you find something that you think that could be also useful to you from this video, the link will be in the video description. Okay, so first items on the list are adapters, European adapter, plug adapters, for those ones that are flat and they work really well. So this one is triple, as you can see, and yeah, so I use this for Android TV boxes that come only with that power supply, and without those adapters I'm unable to use them, and so that's the reason I ordered, because I have also other devices that use that strange adapter that it's not used, at least in Europe, and with those converters I'm totally covered, and also I'm able to plug more than one electronic device. So for my videos and experiences it will come really handy. Okay, so we have those first in small in color orange and blue. I think there are more colors, and then we have these one triples. So we have the white one and the blue one, and they twist or they change format, so you can put them behind a sofa or something like that. So other useful stuff, at least to me, so are those USB switches. So if I have something that is currently always powered on, I have the ability to turn it off or turn it on without unplug it or plug the USB. It's more practical, and that's the reason I bought these ones. So we have in blacks and we have white ones. Another thing that could be useful, and it was also really cheap, it's a HDMI to VGA. So recently I purchased a VGA CRT monitor, and I wanted to plug my more recent computers to that monitor. So these are the use that I will be giving these adapters. So I have two different, okay, and I will be leaving the link. So this one is also capable to convert the sound, okay, so HDMI to VGA, and then you can also put the sound through it. Okay, so remember, all the links will be in the video description. So this one is for sound, and it is to be used with the amplifiers, and this is to connect one or from one amplifier to a DAC, a digital audio converter, and could be also used with other audio devices. I needed this cable, so I need it, and I ordered it, and one of these days I will be using it for sure. The next one, so the next one is, so currently I own, I don't know how many, but I own a lot of micro SD cards for video, for photos, for my devices, for my TV game sticks, for Android boxes. I don't know, I own a lot of those, and it's hard to keep them all in the same place because they are so small and we can lose them easily. So having something like this, we can put them all together, and we also can label them all with a marker. I also have this one, so two different versions, and they are really useful. So now all the new devices are switching to USB-C, and so we have cables that we cannot plug in our old computers, so we need something like this. So these are converters from normal USB to USB-C, and I already used them all or some, and they are really useful. So I have here 3 different ones. So this one, it's the same all those ones, but this one is from USB-C to USB normal, and this one, okay. So, and you see we can convert all kind of adapters, so I don't need to have cables for everything. I just use those adapters and they are really useful. Okay, you see this is micro USB and it will convert to USB-C. And we never know when you need it, and if I need it, I have it, and they are really cheap. That's why I want them available for me to use, because for sure it will be needed in these days. Okay, so another one, this one, it's different. It's also, so it's USB-C to USB-C, but it measures the speed, the charging speed. So if I plug it here to a power charge and I connect it to my phone, it will display the charge. Let me focus. So you see, so on the phone it's 56, and here, so you see, we can see the charging directly on the display. I don't know if it is accurate, but it was also really cheap. Okay, moving on. So this one is to connect speakers to the amplifier. Okay, instead of putting the wires, so these are called banana plugs, and they come really handy in terms of sound. Another one that I ordered and is really good construction and useful, this is an extension for USB, and the build quality is amazing. The quality, this is USB 3.0, so it's an extension, and I already used this with a console on my living room to extend the wired controller that the cable was short, and this one is really good construction. So for the price, it's an amazing extension cable, really good. And remember, all the links will be in the video description. Okay, so this one, it's a multi connection plug, so also really handy to connect several devices. So we can plug devices at your house. There is a button to turn it on, turn it off if you want, and also really useful. And don't forget, if you are enjoying the video and if you like content like this, I have more videos with different items, so check them out. This one, the next one, so I have 2, I ordered 2, and this is to be used with your TV box. So for this one I have drilled some holes, and this will blow some fresh air from below the box, the TV box, and it will keep the temperature always low, and my device will work more efficiently without freezing. Okay, it's highly recommended if you have your TV box always on to buy one of these. Okay, so the link will be in the video description. This is the last item from the list, and it's used to remove soldering from PCB. So if you have some components to take out from PCB, we use this device. Okay, so it will suck the soldering from the PCB. With hot, it will melt the soldering, and then we press the button and will suck the soldering out of the PCB. So don't forget, if you enjoy this kind of videos, to leave a thumbs up. I have more videos like this with different stuff that I ordered from AliExpress. I'm always buying useful items, at least to me, so check it out. Thank you. I catch you on a new one.